opportunity list if they can
Right.
bring the cameras in on these. These are the lists that are provided by which office now? Ms.
Okay,
Smith?
the one for the state of Alabama and Mississippi is listed here, and because we recruit for the state of Florida and Georgia, we also have a list that comes in from that office the 1st and 15th of each month.
Okay, so one of these lists will come in from the Office of Personnel Management in Huntsville as well as from Florida and Georgia.
And Georgia.
And if a person wanted to get a copy of these or to review a copy of these?
Right. We always have a copy on our bulletin board, but we try to make extra copies for the public.
Okay, and this is kind of thick, so the federal government does have quite a few jobs that they're constantly recruiting for.
Right.
So once a person will come in, the list comes out on the 1st and the 15th, and if they wanted to apply for a job, federal job, not only with the Corps but with any agency, what would be the procedure at that point?
Depends on the following procedures. If there's an application required or if there's a test required. Generally, if there's a test required, they complete a card form and mail it to the appropriate office, and I think we have a copy here.
Okay.
That shows the card for filing for a federal
And that's
exam.
that form 5000 AB.
5000 AB.
Right.
Right.
And that's the form that a person will fill out and